Hi, I'm Lisa Crispin.
And I'm Jen Cook. Software testing is changing. The days of siloed testing experts are disappearing, and quality engineering is becoming a whole team responsibility. But what does this shift mean for your career? If you've specialized in human-centered testing, maybe you call yourself a manual tester, can you transition into a quality engineering role? What skills do you need? And how can organizations support testers like you in this evolving landscape? In our interactive workshop, we'll explore these questions together. We'll share our personal journeys, and in small groups, you'll brainstorm actionable ways to grow into a quality engineering role.
We'll tackle real challenges, adopting modern tools, improving collaboration, and ensuring that quality remains a priority. Most importantly, we'll discuss the human side of this shift because all testers have technical skills, but not all feel confident diving into automation or coding. After the conference, we'll compile all the insights from the session and share them with the community in a blog post so your ideas can help shape the future of quality engineering. Join us for this unique workshop. Bring your experiences, your challenges, and your questions. Let's learn together and build a future where everyone owns quality. We'll see you at Agile Testing Days.